Hi, Chris here at Kodo Kids. I want to talk with you a little bit about the balance today. First we'll talk about the assembly and then what is it used for in the classroom. So you've got the balance base, you've got the upright post, the balance arm with the pegs, a bunch of measuring cups, 2 different sizes to go on the pegs, and then some screws, some washers, a clevis pen, and a cotter pin. And so these all go together like this. You just take the machine screws and put them right through the base into the upright post. And I like to start them by hand at first just because it makes it easy. Make sure they're threaded correctly into those threaded inserts so we don't strip those out. And then just take your screwdriver and screw those in. Pretty quick assembly. Okay. So then you take your pen, your clevis pen, and you have your washers, and we double up those washers, and we put this clevis pen right through the front of your balance arm. And then we put those washers right on that pen. Put those through these bearings, and then put your cotter pin right on the back, and you just push it on, and it clicks in place. Now you've got some space between the upright and the balance arm, nice smooth movement. Good heavy-duty hardware to make it very robust for the kids. And then you've got your measuring cups, and you can put these just right on these pegs. When we present this to the kids, we normally don't set it up like this. We might put a provocation out with some different materials for them to put in the cups. Here we've got some little wooden people, let's say, and so you can measure your little wooden people against each other. So the larger cup and the smaller cup, with the 2 little people, but on different pegs, it's almost balanced actually, and then you put it out on the outer peg. Well, what's different here? Well, the measuring cup. You've got more weight over here, so it's leaning. We've got our pegs spaced out, so this is actually 1, 2, and 4 position. So 4 people here will equal 1 person here, or 2 people here. So there's some math relationships that the kids start to understand as they play and just experiment and explore the balance. So, thanks for watching.